So this vlog will go on for 2 vids. Most of it is going to be the shed. I made something out of how am I gonna do this while holding the camera? Sorry if this looks horrible, but I just have to open the shed. Okay. Is that good? Yep. So this is the shed in here. This is where we keep all of our stuffs. And I made this from wood and stuff. It's supposed to be a star. It's not really though. Those are the 2 nails that I hammered into it. This is the toolbox. This is something, I don't know what that's called. There's a punching bag. Ugh. 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 Here's the yoga ball. Football with that. There's a gas tank for the barbecue. There's a fruit presser. There's insulation. Miracle Grow. So this boring video is gonna be 2-parted. Meet Ollie and his poop. Okay. So there's a bird. Ollie, no. Let's see if I can get that bird on camera. You can barely see it in the tree. See if I can get him. He's right there. He's somewhere over there. I'm gonna stand up here, see if I can get him. Can't see him at all now, so he's gone. Bye bye, bird. I'm gonna see if I can get the shed on a good view. Oil from the deep fat fryer, which burnt the sole of my shoe before. Yeah, so this is the shed. Ollie, no, don't do that. You sense danger, dog. That's what I'm gonna call him, danger dog. I see a window open. Hi, smile, you're on camera. So, oh, I see him. Oh, there's a bit of a clearer view. Where is he? Oh, he left. You can see one of them there. I think we have a nest. I think we might have a nest. Might have to go investigate that in another video. Like and subscribe if you want this, and comment down below if you want me to check if there's a nest. Oh look, there's one, and there's another one. Hop down. Yeah, I think we might have a nest. Here, Ollie. The camera quality is horrible. There it is. There he is. Look. Little chub up there. Look, he's flying away. They're all flying away. Oh, there's a couple of them. There. Okay, there they all go. Bye, little birdies. And I think there's one left here. I don't know. That's going to be at the end of this vlog. It was 2 parts. So I'll see you all in the next video.